Best place to fit air horns, the trumpets, on your R1 fairing. The belly fairing is here. That's the bike. Belly fairing off. It's 15 inches to the end of the fairing and 10 inches to the beginning of the big trumpet, and 7 1/4 to the beginning of the small trumpet, and then the silicon hose will just go up, and the compressor will be mounted in here. Probably it's got to be sort of vertical, so it's going to be sort of there, I think. And then the tube will just go down under the seats and down by the suspension, the spring, to the belly fairing. That should work, hopefully. And then the relay and the fuse will just come from here. The connections for the horn are here, so they'll just be taken back under the tank, 2 wires to the back here, and then they'll go up to the compressor, and then the fuse will come back to the battery or somewhere around here, and hopefully that'll do the job. We'll see. Okay, the horn's in now. It's fitted in here at the back. I've just made a little extra bracket, slightly longer bolt than the original one that's in there. The relay's under here, so the compressor tube goes down there. It's underneath here. Sorry, that's the other tube. It comes round here, underneath, and then down here, and round here, down to the horns, which are in the bottom here. So the electrical wires are the 2 running from the horn that was on here, so they run from there, connected into both of them, brought them back behind here in this tube, up here in this tube, 2 wires, and they go to 85 and 86 on the relay. We've also got the earth, which is to the bottom of the compressor, the minus. You've got the plus to the compressor, this blue one here, which is number 87 on the relay. And then you've got 30, or your main fuse, that runs back down here, across the top, under here, down here, and to the battery. So that's all connected up, and that's working. I did have a bit of trouble with it to start with, because I hadn't got a decent earth, but that's a pretty good point. If the seat fits okay when it's back, if it doesn't, I'll change it. So I think that's about it. It all works great. Should save my bacon a few times. Thank you.